motorcycle crash my heart. When half a world away you reached for me, I cried out to the stars to reveal your face. If I could only see the joy, the beauty, the possibility. It was just me there, frowning upon myself. A motorcycle crashed my heart. When half a world away, you kept looking for me in smoky bars and dance floors filled up full of nothing, empty air. I got better at being alone with others. My heart was less hopeful, less joyful. Then a car crash nightmare came. My body spasming awake with pain. Still I could not see your face, just a hand dangling from a hospital bed. I reached out to take it and woke up again. A motorcycle crashed my heart. When half a world away you reached for me, I grieved the love I never met, a stranger I could not forget. I didn't know if you were alive or dead, so I kept running, looking for traces, searching passers-by for familiar faces. I would not give up, even if I died trying. One lifetime would be enough if I could still feel you reaching. A motorcycle crashed my heart. When half a world away you reached for me, then the darkest hours poured down at my lowest, sinking into the depths of hell. The kindest voice offered me help. The light was so bright I could not see, but the strong hands and familiar voice guided me up and out of that place. Then there you were, the most beautiful face. All that time apart, journeys in the dark, pain carving us out intricately, creating the places that would fit broken heart pieces together inextricably. Every step it took to get to you, every treacherous road by night, every corner of dark and light. A motorcycle crash